Career gaps happen to everyone. Layoffs, family responsibilities, difficult times, life happens. We need to address our career gaps on our resume with transparency as well as protecting our own privacy. So it's easy to do this with a 1 or 2 line explanation. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a few options on what to do. So number 1, for a layoff, engaging in professional development, ready for next challenge. Number 2, your contract wasn't renewed. Engaging in professional development, ready for next challenge. These will get different. Number 3, you return to school. Studying whatever it is you're studying at whatever school you're studying at. Number 4, you're a full-time parent. Raised family full-time, ready for next challenge. You'll probably see a pattern here. Number 5, you're caring for an ailing family member. Served as full-time caregiver to family member with health issues. Number 6, sabbatical. Took a planned sabbatical, ready for next challenge. Number 7, a permanent relocation. You permanently relocated from city to city and you're ready for your next challenge. Number 9, temporarily relocating to a city and not actually working in that city. So temporarily relocated to city, return to home city. And finally, number 10, you started retirement and it just wasn't for you. Took temporary leave, ready for next challenge. So these are just a few ideas of how to address some common career gaps. Got any questions? Ask them in the comments below and I'll either answer them or I might answer them in a new video. Thanks for watching.